Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Space Enigma. Ever wondered how our giant rock and water spaceship, Earth, came to be? It's unlike any other planet we know because it supports life. Not just our home, it's our only safe haven in the universe. But how did this extraordinary place come into existence? Let's embark on a cosmic journey to uncover the bizarre forces of nature that created this living, breathing planet we depend on. It's a mystery that scientists are just beginning to solve. Space Enigma brings you the latest research to reveal what it took to create an Earth where humans can thrive. Picture this: 5 billion years ago, Earth didn't exist. Instead, there was a huge cloud of gas and dust floating at the outer edge of the Milky Way. This is the incredible story of how that cloud transformed into our beloved planet. It all started with tiny particles of dust and gas. Scientists call these regions molecular clouds, but they're nothing like the clouds we see on Earth. These molecular clouds are massive, spanning hundreds of light years, and they are made from the remnants of hundreds of dead stars. When the first stars of the universe burned out, they exploded, scattering their ashes. The heavy elements like iron, silicon, and aluminum created in these stars were blown back into the galaxy. This cocktail of elements formed molecular clouds, which became the birthplaces of new stars and planets. The driving force behind their formation? Good old gravity, the same force that makes apples fall to the ground. Gravity pulled the dust particles in these molecular clouds together. Over the next 10 million years, the cloud slowly contracted under its own gravity. As it collapsed, it started to spin faster and heat up at its core, eventually forming our sun. The rest of the cloud flattened into a spinning disk of dust and gas, the cradle of life, where the Earth and other planets began to form. Until recently, the exact process of how this dust turned into a planet was a mystery. Now, thanks to new research and experiments, we're starting to piece together this cosmic puzzle. So buckle up and join us as we uncover the astonishing journey of our home planet, Earth. Alright, space enthusiasts. Let's dive into the thrilling story of Earth's formation, brought to you by Space Enigma. Picture a cosmic construction site. Tiny grains of dust and gas clump together, forming objects about half a mile wide. These cosmic vacuum cleaners suck up surrounding material and grow into about 20 miniature planets over 3 million years. Then, things get wild. These planets collide, merge, and after 30 million years, we're left with a few survivors: Venus, Mercury, Mars, and Earth. Early Earth? Not exactly paradise. It was a scorching 8,500 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than a crematorium. As Earth cooled, it faced a deadly solar storm. Solar particles, racing towards Earth, could strip away our atmosphere and end any chance of life. But Earth had a secret weapon: its molten iron core. Formed from intense heat during its creation, this core generates a protective magnetic field, shielding us from solar radiation. And that's how Earth, our incredible life-supporting planet, beat the odds. Stay tuned on Space Enigma for more cosmic tales. Alright, cosmic adventurers. Let's keep our journey with Space Enigma rolling. Earth's molten iron core is like the ultimate magnet, creating a magnetic field that protects us from the solar wind. This field, called the magnetosphere, deflects harmful solar particles, some of which create stunning auroras at the poles. Even now, the solar wind nibbles away at our atmosphere, but thanks to the magnetosphere, we lose only a tiny amount, about 5 to 10 pounds per second. At this rate, it would take longer than the sun's lifespan to strip it away completely. In our cosmic timeline, where 12 hours represent Earth's history, just 6 minutes have passed. Earth is cooling down, but it's still uninhabitable without oxygen or water. Just when you think things can't get wilder, Earth faces a massive collision with another planet. We've seen a gas cloud collapse to form our solar system and Earth's core generate a magnetic shield. Now, an even more epic event is about to unfold. a collision so intense it could melt the planet. How do we know? Look up at the moon, our celestial companion. Humans have long wondered about the moon's origin. Was it spun off from Earth? Captured by gravity? The answer lies ahead as we uncover the moon's mysterious birth. Stay tuned for the next explosive chapter.